If you're looking for an easy way to use Navan's mobile check-in feature, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through how to quickly and efficiently use this feature on your mobile device, making your travel experience smoother and hassle-free. Whether you're new to Navan or just need a quick refresher, you'll find all the essential tips you need to get started. Navan's mobile check-in feature is a game changer, saving you time and effort during your travels. Instead of manually inputting all your information, the app allows you to check in directly from your phone with just a few taps. That means no more waiting in long lines or scrambling for your travel documents. So, if you're looking to save time, stay organized, and travel stress-free, keep watching. To get started, download the Navan app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, it's quick and easy to sign up. Once you're in, navigate to the Trips tab, where you'll find all your upcoming flights, hotel bookings, and other travel details. Find the specific trip you're checking in for, and you'll notice an option for mobile check-in. When you tap on that, the app will automatically pull in your flight details and prompt you to confirm everything. If everything looks good, you'll be one tap away from completing your check-in. The great part about using Navan's mobile check-in feature is the ability to do everything on the go. You don't have to wait until you're at the airport to check in. And if you need to make any last-minute changes, Navan makes it simple. You can select your seats, add baggage, or even upgrade to a different class, all within the same mobile interface. One of the standout benefits of using Navan's check-in is its integration with other services. For example, once you're checked in, you can also quickly access your boarding pass in the app. This eliminates the need for printing or searching for emails. Everything you need is right there on your phone, ready to go. Plus, Navan's notifications keep you updated on your flight status, so you're always in the loop. If you want to take full advantage of this feature, remember that you can also link your frequent flyer numbers and credit cards to your Navan account for a seamless experience every time you travel. You'll get reminders when it's time to check in, and Navan will even help you with hotel check-ins if you're traveling for business. So, why not take advantage of this feature? It's a huge time saver for anyone who travels frequently. And as a bonus, if you sign up through the first link below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of Navan's full suite of features, including the mobile check-in. I highly recommend using Navan for your next trip. It's the easiest way to streamline your travel experience, and the mobile check-in is just one of the many convenient tools it offers. So check out the first link in the description for your exclusive trial and start enjoying hassle-free travel today.